In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell meme coins on MagicEden. More specifically, Bitcoin meme coins. If you haven't watched my video on how to buy meme coins on MagicEden, make sure you do that first. Selling meme coins sounds simple, but on the Bitcoin network, you want to be careful of a couple of details. When you're on the MagicEden homepage, make sure you click on Bitcoin as there's Solana, Ethereum, and a lot of others. Then click on over from collections to runes to get to the meme coin homepage. Right now, only Bitcoin meme coins are on MagicEden website. In the future, potentially, they could have meme coins from Base, Ethereum, Solana, you name it. Let's just jump right into how to sell by going to our portfolio. I imagine that you have meme coins in your wallet already, and let me go over some steps on how to sell. On the portfolio page, you can see details of the meme tokens you own, any sell orders that you have open, how many lots you own, meaning the bundle sizes of the meme tokens. And you can see more details, just click on that down arrow of the bundle sizes that you have. You can also see the current price and the current value of your meme tokens. And on the side here, you can see two functionalities called split and send. Send is pretty self-explanatory, but let's go over split really quickly. Here you can see the different lots or bundles of meme tokens I own for Dog Go to the Moon. Unfortunately, the way Bitcoin meme coins work, it's a little bit older blockchain. You can't just go ahead and sell one meme token. You gotta sell them in bundles, or in this instance, they're called lots. I have 3 different bundles here, 2 the same size and 1 that's a bigger amount. So let's pretend that I want this one right here to be broken down into smaller amounts. The reason I might want to break this up is because I don't want to cash out. Let's say I want to sell a lot less bundles. I want to cash out small amounts at a time. With MagicEden, I could break this up within one transaction to 10 different quantities. Of course, you can split it lower, but you can only do 10 splits with one transaction. There are fees associated with this. It's not a lot, but depending on when you watch the video, these prices can differ. Just go with the standard transaction fee. Unless you're in a rush, you can choose high. If you're more in expert mode, you understand the meme pool, then you could go ahead and customize that transaction fee. If not, just leave it on standard. If you want this in smaller lots or smaller increments, you can definitely do that, but you do have to wait for this split to fulfill. Then after that, you could go back into the same steps that we just went through and then further split that down. You can split this down from $258, the current value of this bundle, all the way down to, bundles of like $20 each. You could sell them for whatever increment that you want. Make sure you approve this transaction in your wallet or else it will not split, and it doesn't do it instantaneously. Bitcoin blocks are known to go through every 10 minutes, and then if the network's congested, it could take longer than that. You will have a receipt within MagicEden. You can see your activity history if you want to see the status of your split. Just go back to the portfolio view, click underneath activity, and you should see any activity that you have that has a transaction attached to it. You'll be able to see the transaction hash once you approve that in your wallet. If you don't see underneath activity, it most likely will be underneath your pending orders tab also. You can also go back to your home page, portfolio view, and click down on this drop down arrow underneath balance to see if your bundles have split, and you'll be able to see it here. This would have been broken down to 10 different increments of 88,000. But as you can see here, I didn't confirm it, so it's in this big block still. But you're not done. Just because you split it doesn't mean it's listed. You do have to go ahead and list it. So go ahead and click into the details of the meme token. For this one's called Dog Go to the Moon. As technology is quickly improving for meme tokens on the Bitcoin network, this layout could look a lot different, but let's go over the current functionalities that they have. The first one's fairly simple. You could list the lots or the bundles that you just split. Remember, you don't have to sell with the increments that are given here, which was what you purchased or maybe airdropped. You can always go and split these, but you have to go back to the portfolio page to do so. You could sell all the way from the lowest ask, the current market rate, or all the way up to 10% more. You can also set your own price above 10%. You just do your own math. You can sell at 20% higher, 50% higher. Basically, you can set your sell limit orders here. It's automatically toggled to lowest ask, so if you don't want to sell right away, put a higher percentage or maybe even 2x the cost. Let's click 10% above ask, and you can see they automatically populated that, and they will show you how much I get after transaction fees go to MagicEden and also to the network. If you want to see those details, just click up here, but make sure you click on list, and you do have to approve it on your wallet. There's no transaction fees for listing or delisting. The fee comes out from the buyer side when he approves the buy. Remember, each meme token is broken down into different lots. So if I want to sell everything, I can't just put the total amount. I have to select each one. And each lot is its own single sell order. If you do want to cancel it, then you have to go in and cancel each one individually, which I'll show you how. There's a few ways to see if your listing is active. Go back to your portfolio page and you can see open orders to sell highlighted right here, as you see right here. Another way to do so is click back into the details page of that meme token. Click on the sell, and you can see that I have an open order that I'm able to cancel. Unfortunately, you're not able to cancel your sell orders on the portfolio page yet. Hopefully that comes soon. For now, you have to click back into the meme token details. Let's say you don't want to wait for someone to buy your meme token. You want to sell it instantly. Well, you can sell into an existing order. That's right. There are people that put open bids out there for different bundles, different amount of meme tokens that they want. You can see that, it doesn't really line up with the bundles that you have, or maybe I have right here, but you can still sell into that. Click plus, and MagicEden will split that allotment for you, split that bundle for you. They will take transaction fees for that, but you can sell instantaneously. Typically, bids are lower than the current market rate, but if you're in need of liquidity, this is a good way to get instant liquidity as it sells into a bid. If you want to see the details of how the fees break down, just click on what you receive. You can see the marketplace fee, you can see the blockchain fee, and what you're going to be getting at the end of that. Now, there is a new functionality that's not yet out on MagicEden, but it is available on Xverse Wallet. Swapping isn't necessarily selling, although on the back end, you are selling your meme token for something else. This is not an Xverse tutorial. I want to give you a simple look of how swapping works. You just click on swap button here. Let's just say I want to swap my meme token to Bitcoin. Click the maximum allotment, meaning the maximum meme tokens I have, and you can see I can get quotes to see what I will get. And there it is. I got quoted $2,600, about $200 less than I would get if I sold it on the open market for the lowest ask. Definitely, I'd rather use MagicEden. When the functionality becomes available, come back here. I'll be sure to cover this when it does. And that is how you sell meme tokens on MagicEden. As the technology improves on selling Bitcoin meme tokens, you best believe that swapping will be the #1 way to do so. You can utilize that on DeFi marketplaces and mechanisms when that becomes available. Until then, make sure to come back here not only for the latest on Bitcoin meme tokens, but also on NFTs and other digital assets. We always review the latest emerging tech that may just change your life forever, so make sure that you follow along. We'll see you guys on the next one.